Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about some new effects in Adobe Illustrator. In my opinion, they are the most important effects. I'm talking about stylized effects. So let's start. All effects today work with any text or shape. The first one is drop shadow. This effect is used for making a shadow for any text or shape. For example, I will write anything and change the size like this. And now I will select stylize and drop shadow. This window will appear. Now I can click on preview and I can choose the mode of shadow. I have here many modes like hard light or darken or normal, and I can increase the opacity or decrease it. And I can move the shadow by X offset and Y offset like this and increase the blur. And I can also change the color of shadow from here like this. The second one is feather effect. This effect is used for make like a blur effect for any text or shape. For example, I will choose stylize and feather and now click on preview. Now you can see this effect. I can increase it like this. The next one is inner glue. This effect is used for making glue effect inside your text or your shape. For example, I will select the text and choose inner glue. Now I have many modes like normal, screen overlay, and click on preview to show your mode, and I can increase the color of the glue like this. You can see it, and I can increase the opacity and the blur effect, and I can choose the effect in the center or in edges. The next one is outer glue. This effect like inner glue but out your shape. For example, I will choose outer glue and now click on preview. You can see it and you can change the color like this and the opacity and the blur effect like this. The next one is round corner. This effect is used for rounded any corners in your shape like this. I will choose round corners and click on preview, and now I can increase the radius of the circles here like this. The last one today is scribble effect. This effect is used for making an effect like freehand sketch, and for example I will make scribble for this text and you can see it. I can change the angle from here and the path overlap like this and the variation of the path and stroke width like this, and I can increase the curviness of the path and the variation of curviness and the spacing between lines like this and the variation of spacing. Now for example, I will make this cut paper design by drop shadow effect. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.